Hey, get that flashlight and just point it in there so there's a little bit of light. I want the cat to be able to see. You don't have to stick it down there, just aim from here at an angle down.
There's some reasonable light. Let's see if I can get this going. Tell me if I need to move my hand back. I'm in the way.
I have no idea if this will work.
Have you hit the ground yet, do you know?
No, it's still going down.
Wow, that's pretty deep.
Yeah. Maybe just the rope, I don't know.
Hmm? What do you say?
I can feel it on the thing. Hold on, I think. Maybe not.
Yeah. Oh, it's in there. You got it?
I got it.
No way. Okay,
Totally
we're
did it.
holding it. Oh, it's lit up. At least his eyes are open.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Hey, kitty.
Should probably give it to her pretty quick. We need to get like a little box or something too. It's very little.
Yeah. It held on. Awesome. Yeah. Wow.
I recorded it.
Awesome.
There's a lot of us going. Yeah, clean it up. Looks like a little boy kitten. I think. Let's turn off the
He looks
flashlight.
like the girl cat.
Does he?
Yeah.
The dad?
Got the cat. Got it. We got it. You need anything for the kid?
Huh?
The little kid?
I mean, if she takes care of it, Ellen says it's good, but if it doesn't, then you need to really get it to a professional. Like if she lets it milk and stuff.
Probably do. Yeah, a box would be good if they had one.
Little box and maybe like a little blanket.
She seems to be
or
one
towels,
of these there.
leftover towels.
Okay.
Hey, kitty.
Wow. This is crazy.
You got stuff stuck to your butt. I don't know if that's from the food that we tried to give you or what. It looks like it might be. You got mixed in with the junk. No, no, oh. Go back up there. Oh, you're so little. Get back up there.
Let me see if I can find a little box.
You okay? Y'all are okay.